Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to start with quick revision of pathology. So let's get started. Lepromin test is strongly positive in tuberculoid leprosy. Screening test for HIV is ELISA. Diagnostic test for HIV is Western blot. Least nodules are seen in neurofibromatosis. Chromosomal abnormalities can be diagnosed by FIS, G-banding and PCR. Immediate post-traumatic massive blood lead to reticulocytosis. Platelets are stored in room temperature. Most common type of esophageal carcinoma overall is adenocarcinoma. Most common type of esophageal carcinoma in India is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common site of esophageal carcinoma, lower one-third of esophagus. Chronic gastric reflux is Barrett esophagus adenocarcinoma. Acute inflammation pain is mediated by bradykinin. Richest source of histamine is mast cell. Richest source of serotonin is platelet. Cytokine responsible for inflammation is interleukin 1. First response to hemorrhage is tachycardia. Most affecting cell in case of HIV is CD4 T cell. Most common neoplastic disease in AIDS is Kaposi sarcoma. Most common lung carcinoma in smoker is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common lung cancer in non-smoker and female is adenocarcinoma. Most common type of emphysema, centriacinar, occur in upper lobe. Most specific antibody is SLE is anti-double stranded DNA antibody. Anti-Smith antibody, anti-nuclear antibody, anti-dsDNA antibody are seen in SLE. Phagocytosis unchanged by coating the surface of antigen is called opsonization. Next one, which is not vitamin K dependent factor, factor 8th. Most common site for liquefactive necrosis is brain. Most common organ affected by fatty changes, liver. Most common cause of fatty changes in alcoholism. Most common organism to be affected by hypoxia is heart. Reye syndrome is associated with salicylate poisoning. Pulse stained Prussian blue reaction is used to demonstrate is hemosiderin. Most common cause of infective endocarditis is Streptococcus viridans. Most common type of cardiomyopathy, dilated cardiomyopathy. Maculum patches is seen in left atrium. Most common tumor in children heart, rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common congenital cardiac malformation is BSD. Least common cardiac congenital malformation is ASD. Drugs of choice to relieve pain in MI is morphine. Most common organism of lobar pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumonia. Most common cause of emphysema, bacterial pneumonia. Most common site of metastasis of cancer lung is liver. Small cell carcinoma is odd cell carcinoma. Tumor of lung is lung with best prognosis is squamous cell carcinoma. Commonest cancer in which metastasis is seen in brain, lung cancer. Metastasis to the liver commonly in bronchogenic cancer. Metastasis of small cell carcinoma lung is liver. Commonest site of metastasis liver. Bony metastasis is not seen in testis cancer. Small cell cancer commonly metastasis to liver. Metastasis to heart are mostly from breast. In smoker, cancer lung is small cell cancer. Small cell carcinoma is odd cell carcinoma. Most common cause of fatty changes in alcoholism. Most common organ to be affected by hypoxia is heart. Tumor of lung with best prognosis is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common Callum patches is seen in rheumatic fever and left atrium. Papillary necrosis is seen in diabetic mellitus, analgesic nephropathy, sickle cell anemia, and pyelonephritis. Micronodular cirrhosis is seen in alcoholic cirrhosis. Pathological changes of liver cell in acute biliary hepatitis is ballooning degeneration. Typhoid ulcer is Peyer's patches. Longitudinal may perforate, stricture is rare. Direct comb is positive in hemolytic anemia due to paroxysmal called hemoglobinuria. Russell's body multiple myeloma, intracellular accumulation of protein, homogeneous eosinophilic deposit. Glomerulosclerosis is a feature of diabetic mellitus and hypertension. Characteristic pathological features in malignant hypertension is fibrinoid necrosis. Type of cancer, breast occurring bilateral lobular carcinoma. Giant cell foreign body is TB, syphilis, leprosy, 60 to 100 nuclei. Most common type of salivary neoplasm, mixed cell parotid neoplasm. Bone tumor arise from epiphysis is osteoclastoma. Bone tumor arise from metaphysis osteogenesis sarcoma. Bone tumor which is hormone dependent, fibrous dysplasia. Microscopic picture of seminoma, testis seat of lymphocyte and homogeneous background. Amyloid is best identified by green perfringes viewed by polarizing microscopy. Amyloidosis most commonly affect liver. Secondary amyloidosis is seen with TB, leprosy, rheumatoid arthritis, osteomyelitis. Amyloid stroma is seen in medullary cancer, thyroid. Syphilitic aneurysm mostly involve arch of aorta. True blood cells are RBC. Commonest type of Hodgkin lymphoma, nodular sclerosing. Type of Hodgkin lymphoma with best prognosis, lymphocytic predominant. OR rod are seen in AML, M1 and M3. Philadelphia chromosome is translocation from chromosome 22 to 9 seen in CML. Commonest type of bronchogenic carcinoma, adenocarcinoma. Gandy gamma bodies are seen in sickle cell anemia. Transudative ascites is seen in nephrotic syndrome and CCF. Commonest type of nephrotic syndrome in children in minimal changes disease. Nephrotic syndrome is caused by malaria, penicillamine, syphilis. Alpha fetoprotein is increased in IUD, polycystic kidney disease, congenital nephrotic syndrome, massive proteinuria, hypoalbuminemia, and hypercholesterolemia. Common site of TB of intestine is ileum. Granulomatous disease is TB, leprosy, sarcoid. Characteristic features of amoebic ulcer is flask-shaped. Gallstone in hemolytic anemia are pigment. A person is labeled as hepatitis carrier of HBsAg is positive after 6 months. Disseminated intravascular coagulation cause snake bite, malaria, polycythemia. Benign chondroma, hemangioma, myxoma. Bilious atrophy is seen in celiac disease, giardiasis, tropical sprue. Test for thalassemia trait is HbA2. Chronic carditis usually due to TB and emphysema. Lung abscesses is common following Staphylococcus pneumonia. Precancerous lesion in GIT is ulcerative colitis, pigmentary cirrhosis, polyposis coli, bilious adenomas. Commonest variety of cancer stomach is adenocarcinoma. Platelet function can be assessed by clotting time. Good pasture syndrome is characterized by necrotizing hemorrhagic intestinal pneumonitis. Lipoma become malignant commonly at which site? Retroperitoneal. Commonest cancer in elderly male, cancer prostate. Fat necrosis is common in breast, omentum, retroperitoneal fat. Piecemeal necrosis is seen in chronic active hepatitis. Pheochromocytoma arise from adrenal medulla, extraadrenal site, sympathetic chain. Reed-Sternberg cell are seen in infectious mononucleus, Hodgkin's lymphoma, mycosis, fungoids. Osteosarcoma is spread by embolism in vessel. Hamartomas, developmental malformation. Involucrum mean new living bone. Malignancy caused by virus is nasopharyngeal cancer, Burkitt, and cancer of cervix. Gaucher disease is due to deposition of deficiency of glucocerebroside. Bone marrow aspiration is done to confirm Niemann-Pick disease, Gaucher, and mucopolysaccharidosis. Acute tubular necrosis is caused by hemolysis, crush injury, shock. Renal papillary necrosis is seen in diabetic mellitus, analgesic abuse, sickle cell anemia. Commonest cause of renal papillary necrosis is analgesic nephropathy. Next one, unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia is seen in Gilbert's and Krigler-Najjar. Carcinogens, asbestosis, alkylating agent, Vangin CPDs. Transitional cell cancer caused by naphthylamine, smoking, and bilharziasis. Pseudopolyps are seen in ulcerative colitis. Radiation can cause acute leukemia, papillary cancer, thyroid. Bomb causes myocarditis, trichinella. Malaria affect brain, liver, and spleen. Most characteristic histological finding in acute rheumatoid carditis, Aschov body in myocardium. Most common complication of infective endocarditis, thromboembolism. In India, acute hepatitis A mostly affects children between 3 to 12 years. Fibrosis is seen in a thrombus after 1 week. Diabetic gangrene is due to atherosclerosis. Urine finding in SLE, proteinuria. Hypersensitivity anxieties is seen in Hinoch, Sacholian, purpura. Liquefactive necrosis occur in brain. Basement membrane has 4 types of collagen. Mallory hyaline found in alcoholic cirrhosis, Indian childhood cirrhosis, Wilson disease. Commonest malignancy of small intestine adenocarcinoma. Coagulation time is prolonged in hemophilia, bone bilirubin, Christmas disease, and not in ITP. Hepalovatum is due to syphilis. Bilateral contracted kidney occur in diabetic mellitus, benign nephrosclerosis, and chronic glomerulonephritis. Primary neurogenic tumor is neuroblastoma. Epithelium in the ureter is transitional. Commonest complication of TB meningitis is cerebral infarction. Labile cell, bone marrow cells, epidermal cell, living cells, small intestine. Angioglomerular antibodies are present in Guss-Pasteur syndrome. Commonest cause of cerebral infarction is embolism. Atherosclerosis commonly affect left anterior descending artery. Eosinophilia is a feature of aspergillosis. Splenectomy is useful in spherocytosis. Next one. G6PD deficiency is inherited as X-linked recessive. Testicular involvement without epididymitis is a feature of syphilis. Predominant cell after 72 hours of MI is macrophage. Quasicore is fatty liver edema by spot. Addison disease hypoglycemia. Pyogenic meningitis is increasing CSF protein. Pileocytosis, decreased CSF glucose. Features of chronic alcoholic liver disease is fatty liver. Features of rheumatoid heart disease is valvular involvement. Osteomalacia, normal osteoid and defective mineralization. Destruction of fat in acute pancreatitis is due to lipase and trypsin. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency occur in emphysema. Cloudy swelling is due to accumulation of butter intracellularly. Hallmark of atherosclerosis histologically is deposition of fat in intima. Chronic SDH is caused by rupture of bridging vein. In thromboasthenia, there is a defect in platelet aggregation. Intracellular calcification begin in the mitochondria. And most common islet tumor is insulinoma. Ricket is due to decreased absorption of calcium. Type of pericarditis in TB is constrictive. Most common cause of aortic aneurysm is trauma. Linear deposition of Ig4 on glomerular basement membrane is seen in Guss-Pasteur syndrome. Vein-Jones protein are light chain. Tumor marker of cancer cervix creatinine. Most common malignancy in AIDS is Kaposi sarcoma. Commonest presentation of endemic goiter is lump in the neck. Pre-existing antibodies in renal transplantation lead to hyperacute rejection. Function of liposomes is store triglycerides. Cushing syndrome is most commonly seen in bronchogenic carcinoma. Most common primary tumor of mediastinum is thymoma. And potato nodes are characteristic features of sarcoidosis. One of the following is due to point mutation sickle cell anemia. Worst prognosis for renal cell cancer vascular invasion. Follicular ovarian cysts are seen in molar pregnancy. Gandy gamma bodies are seen in sickle cell anemia, cirrhosis with portal hypertension, CML, and not in thalassemia. Mallory hyaline bodies are seen in alcoholic cirrhosis, primary biliary cirrhosis, Indian childhood cirrhosis, and not in secondary biliary cirrhosis. Late features of multiple myeloma, renal failure, locally malignant tumor is chordoma. Preservative used for storing blood for transfusion is CPDA. Pancreas secrete elastase, ribonuclease, colipase, and not aminopeptidase. Commonest cause of intracerebral bleed is hypertension. Liquefactive necrosis is common in brain. Phagocytosis of TB bacillus do not occur because of cord factor. Tree-walk life calcification in chest X-ray is seen in syphilitic aneurysm. Blood stored in CDPA is 35 days. Gastric ulcer is caused due to decreased mucosal resistance. Raised serum ferritin is seen in leukemia, CRF, and rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune hemolytic anemia is seen in CLL, chronic lymphoid leukemia. Most diagnostic test for SLE is antibody against DNA. Lepra cells are histiocytes. Mycobacterium lepra divide every 30 days. Orange color of urine associated with urobilinogen. High dose radiotherapy cause pancreatic is acinar deficiency. Thank you.